the Abilities tab. Here you can see Welcome to Draft Week. All the effort you spend scouting comes down to this. Start the draft whenever you're ready.
The Dolphins are now on the clock.
Zay Jones that time, but it'll be second down.
This defense has been very disruptive early on as they force another one to go awry.
Seems to be the front and the back end. Pass rush, they've been able to get home, and they're taking the ball away in coverage as well.
I love how you put it together. The front and back working in sync, only way to play good defense.
A second down pass play there, but it's incomplete. Throwing is Allen on third. And that's incomplete.
When I watched that play, I thought about what my coaches had told me in the past. The biggest teaching point, get your head around. Locate the football so you can make a play on it while it's in the air. That's exactly what he did there. That was nice.
So they're going for it, and here's Allen. And it's complete to Croft. And he gets this inside the 35-yard line. It's a gain of 13, and how about that? They're able to convert on 4th and 10. This offense finding its legs now. Here's another 1st and 10. Again, they'll throw with Allen. And that is incomplete. So 17 seconds now on the clock here. Fair to say, hasn't been his best game throwing the football, but also not getting a lot of help out there either.
Yeah, you nailed it pretty well, you know. He's got to throw it better. Got to get more help. Obviously one that should have been caught. They got to find a way to bring those two elements together so they can make some progress in this one.
Now a second down throw for the end zone, but it's incomplete. This offense was on the move. Now 2 straight incompletions have them looking at 3rd and 10. It's caught. Jones. And taking it to the 15-yard line before he's brought down. First catch of the new season. This is a spot on the field where you see this. The offense deciding to go on 4th. Allen going to go on 4th down. Buying time to his left. He may try and run for this. That's a 4th down pickup of 10 yards and an opportunity certainly missed on the deep. Time to jump back in. Opening drive, 3rd quarter. And this offense has it in the red zone, 1st and 10. Right back to Coleman here on 1st down. He will push his way down to about the 14. Give him a couple on the carry there, 2nd and 8. And as a first-rounder, a lot of eyes on him, a lot of expectations.
And he has to play well in his rookie year. Those days of coddling guys and bringing them along slowly, those days are long gone. When you're drafted in the 1st round, they expect you to play right away. And the community's eyes and fan base, they'll be on you the entire way.
They added a lot of talent to a roster that really needed an infusion of youth. They got a very good infusion of youth.
And they didn't really reach to get anyone as well. They stuck to their draft philosophy, got the best players they could at the time they were drafting, and inserted them into their line.
And he will score. Touchdown, Buffalo. Punching it in from a yard away, as his guys can now take the lead with the extra point.
And Brad, I think we have to look back at the big call to go for it on 4th down.
And that set up everything. Throwing is Mahomes on 3rd. The tight end Kelsey has it over the middle. And he'll go down, and that will do it for the 3rd quarter of action. We're back now in KC. And we've got a dandy here. A 1-point game as we begin the 4th.
Yellow on the water, right? Our side. Come to my work. We want it. Come to my work. Our side.
Mahomes now on 1st down. This is caught. Watkins. And he takes this into the end zone for a Chiefs touchdown. An 11-yard touchdown. And the Chiefs have taken the lead.
I wonder if he changed anything on his play sheet or they just executed better. Because they had 2 previous drives that ended in field goals. Before this one, they finally were able to put into the end zone.
have a red zone update. This defense stacked up here with a 1st and 10 inside the 15. Looking to throw is Mahomes. Oh, no, he lost the football. Now this is picked up by the Bills. Accelerating, and off he goes. He's at the 30. And this is going to be brought back for a Bills touchdown.
That's our ball.
We drop you into a 4th quarter situation, tie game, hoping for a nice punt return here to set them up on offense. Here's Dustin Colquitt now as he's on to punt for Kansas City. He'll send this one into the Midwestern air, and it's a good one. Here's the Buffalo offense now as they get set to take over here. The last possession, these guys were able to tie the game with a touchdown. Now they'll have a chance to move out in front.
Yeah, let's give a big assist to the defense who got the ball back. The special teams went out there and handled things.
They keep it on the ground. This time it's Yeldon. And he is going to be stopped cold behind the line of scrimmage. All tied up. Less than 2 minutes to go. So it's Bills football here as we get you reset. And let's see what they've come up with offensively after having time to talk it over. Looking downfield for Jones. And that will be incomplete. Well, they weren't scared to let it fly, but it falls to the ground and brings up 4th down. These are the spots, this stage of the game, where it pays to have speed on the perimeter, doesn't it?
It certainly does, and in the 2nd quarter, he may very well run by him, but in this situation, I know as a defender, I'm loosening up a couple of extra steps that allowed him to run with him stride for stride.
Allen now looks to throw. And that is incomplete. Boy, it looked like he had it and dropped it. And the Chiefs will have the football back in
Let's face it, that's what we absolutely live for. How about that one?
That was great. And what our camera missed was the fist pump from the sideline after that catch. They're fired out. That's a big game. Looking left side, and he's got a man. It's Jones. And they'll have it in the red zone before he crosses over out of bounds. 25 yards that time. That's what they need right now. Get the first down, get out of bounds, stop the clock.
Just playing smart football, understanding the situation, making the plays necessary, and making sure that clock stops at every opportunity.
And he was able to shed the tackle, but the reserves come in for the stop. Now the Bills are going to use the first of their timeouts as they'll stop it with just over 40 seconds to go in the game. Back to throw. Allen. He takes it across for the touchdown, and they've taken the lead late in the final minute of the 4th. Only 2 timeouts at the defense's disposal, and it's doubtful that's going to be enough for him to get the ball back as we'll head back in for the final moments of this one. Back to throw. And he can't get a throw off. He's taken down. What a huge play at this point in the game. Play action. Now it's Mahomes. And, oh, a crusher there as it's intercepted. Picked off around the 41. And to the 40-yard line, that's where the return stops. Mecole Hardman, So after the INT, it's Allen. And it's incomplete. They're still throwing to the very themselves at home next week. And for Charles Davis and our entire crew here at EA Sports, I'm Brandon Gaudin saying so long, everybody. Now let's take a minute to see how you can improve.